Here's the divisions. Obviously, 3 A's and 3 N's. East, Central, West. East, Central, West. 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Wow, it's saying the spreadsheet's about to reach its limit of how many sheets you can have. Oops. And here are the breakers. Skip, 3 Hortanos, and 2 Fabs. 1, 2, and 3. Fab on the top, Hortano on the bottom. There you go. Want some Clint? All right, guys, this is Bowman Draft 23. Best of luck. Thanks for getting in the break. Welcome to the Tank Fad. Thanks for stopping by and getting in the breaks. All right, and we're off. Let's try to top the last box. Got Walker, Gallo, Bundy, Garrett Gordon for the Nationals, Myers, Grosser, and Cole Stewart. Yes, first timers usually nail it. Manny Machado, Arcia, Strasburg, Gordon, Ott, Eifner, and Aaron Judge. Spezial, Ivan Wilson, Cisco, Gray, Meyer, Buxton base, and Kevin Franklin. Fab, you used to break or still break with Bateson? I'm trying to remember where I know the name from. Oh, sorry. Gassaway, Peterson, Hart, Travis Ott for the Nationals, Dickerson, Gibson, and Bumgarner. Okay. Nelson Molina, Salazar, Miller, Gosman, Maffei, Perez, Mercado Chrome. Manwaring, Bogarts, Nottingham, Jan Hernandez, Chrome. color call. The color call. All right, there's a little color. Blue paper. Profar, Rendon, Will Myers rookie to 500, 455 and 500. Fegley, Gaddis rookie, Chrome. Kanzler, Church, Demerit, Plawecki, Wheeler, and Nick Franklin. Easton, Stankiewicz, Anderson, Marco Gonzalez, Sonny Gray for the A's, Hadley, and Harper. Riley Unroe, Trey Williams, Castellanos. Not a bad one. Cole Stewart, AL Central. 47 of 99. Lorenzen, Lindor, and Kaminsky. Townsley, Singleton, Rue, Seager, Gonzalez. Austin, Fried, Arenado, Danny Salazar, refractor rookie, Indians, I think. Yeah, Indians. Molina, Manwaring, and Singrani. McKinney, Knapp, Will Myers, refractor rookie. AL East, that's Fab. Rodriguez, Nicely, Hellwig, and Sweeney. Yeah. Here's the auto. It's a base. Efforts, Rivera, Sano. Look at Donnelly. DJ Peterson. AL West, Tortano. Cozart, Cole, Wilson. Baez, Cowart, Barnes, Heim, Christensen, Cateau. Yeah. Polino, Green, Dominic Smith, Alec Grosser for the Braves, Sanchez, Hawkins, and Russell. Well, we haven't had a wave pack yet out of the 5 boxes. Let's see if we can't grab one of those. Correa, Moran, Ball and Denny, Galorme, Blake Taylor. Tucker, Denny, Trevor Williams, J.P. Crawford Mini, Salazar, Gray, and Shipley. Siofu, Murphy, Joseph Odom for the Braves, NL East. Hortano, Keys, Urusha, Ziomek, Kellogg, Austin, Ventura, Wheeler for the Mets, Ice, Waka, Piniella, and Malone. Peterson, Fernandez, Navarreto, Stifler, Galorme for the Mets. Lots of NL East in here. Baez. Box number 5 has to have a wave pack in it. Urrutia, Ian Clark, Tim Anderson, Polina, Correa, Ty Hensley. Last one, guys. Waka, Meadows, Snydergaard, and Mark Montgomery finishes it out. Thanks for getting in the break.